I'll start in a moment. One last check. Oh. Okay. It's going to be a slow start, but so what do we have in here? We're gonna do the thing. You should be able to see the schematic on the left there. So that's what we're gonna do. Don't pay attention to the Arduino that's in there. That's not in there. When I have the stuff in here, I don't need to run it through any components because I have this box. So the voltage is actually coming through this box in here. So it's color coded. So the +9 is going there. Actually, let's stick it there. And the ground is on here. And the ground is going all the way through that strip. These go like this way, and these go that way. So the power strip is here. And yep, all right. And then I'm running my base in here, and then the output is going to my board. That's like, well, it's something else, but from there I'm gonna go to my audio interface, and from there to amplitube. So, but yeah, so I don't have to do the jacks that are seen on the picture there, and I'm gonna power this up with the battery that I can hook up in there. So it's just your regular 9 volts. All right, and I haven't done this a while, so it could take a moment before I get any sound. So let's see how it goes. And I have for potentiometers, I have I think this B100K is a linear one, and I didn't have A100, so, and this is the logarithmic with the curve. So it's just 50K, so we can actually mess with that and hear how it sounds. I think they should. Let me check if they fit in there. Yes, they do. So that's good. All right, let's get that in there properly. And all right, let's start. I have this bag of jumper wires, so these come in handy. I'm going to be using these as well. The table is pretty clean. It's sometimes it's a mess, but I just cleaned it up a few days ago, so that's good also. All right, we could actually check if this battery is still running first. So let's put it there, and yeah, the LED lights up. So we do have power. All right, and I have coffee. I'm gonna drink a bit. All right. Yeah, let's start. I'm gonna take my cases of components, which are these. So everything's they are in these containers and in bags. So what do we have? Let me check. We have 100. We could do the. Let's actually just put the B100 in. I'll just put it in there. And that's 1, 2, 3. And this is 2 boards together, so these line of course stop here with these strips. Good to keep that in mind. So so first things first, I think the audio port 3 is going to ground. So let me check if I have just a small. I do, so we're gonna use this one. Try to keep it simple. Alright, so we're gonna just put that in there, so it's on the same row as pin 3. And then we'll put that connected to the ground where it's supposed to be. Oh, the end is. I have to chop off a bit. There we go. And there we go. So the right side of the well, I started out on the right side. So, and now this single output. So this one, I'm gonna take a blue wire for the output. That's how I usually have my course. So if I am correct, and keep in mind this probably, or this might not work out on the first go, because, and there we go. Let's put that in the row where the pin 2 is. So that should be our output. There we go. And it's hooked up there. And then we can take, I actually have to check the value of the cap. We have something here. No, I'm not gonna take that one. Oh, the legs are quite short. 4.7. Let me check. So wait a moment. It doesn't actually say the value of the caps in there in the schematic, so it's kind of, yeah, could be better in that way. Oh, let's put a 10 in there. Let's try that. It could be bigger, but well, I'm just gonna chuck 10 in there, and it's gonna stretch it to here, all the way there. We can swap it, of course. And next up, so we've gone from the right side all the way to the capacitor, one of them, and the schematic doesn't say if it's well, it kind of, that symbol usually means it's non-polarized. So yep. And then what do we have? We have a 100k resistor. If I'm doing something wrong, let me know. And the 100k is seeing that capacitor, and it's going to the 9 volts. So we can put the other end on the power strip that way, and the other one right in front of the capacitor. There we go. Oh, and I'm not sure if this should work, but you can a multimeter is sometimes good, and sometimes you can have bad breadboards. But so I'm going to just check, you know, if so that means you have a connection there, and that's where it breaks. So this also breaks the connection, so that's good to keep in mind. As we can hear, no sound. Then when we put them there, we got sound, and this also means, you know, but of course it won't. So now when we go here, we can see that the Yep, all right. See how that works on. Then next, let's see what I have here. 3904. What did they use this? It says 2N5088 for the transistor, but All right. 39004. So we're gonna use that one. And do I remember the pin out? God, no, I don't. So we'll just stick it in there. It could be the wrong way around. All right, then a diode. Actually, let's keep it. So that one's going. Shouldn't matter that much, I think. So what do 1 and 9, 1, 4. Do I have them? I do. So yeah, let's stick one in there. These are polarized, so and it looks like, let's do it like that. It looks like we want to bring this. I'll put it there. I think we should be good. And then I think we wanted a 4.7 cap in there on the beginning. You could try 10. So don't have any here, so let's take out the box. Yeah, let's try a 4.7. And there we go. So this is polarized also. The plus is on that side and minus is on there. And from there we're gonna take a run a wire to our input. There we go. Okay. Or there we go. And this one we have to connect to our ground, and then the middle one goes there. Okay. I think we should be done. Let's see if it works. Nothing's smoking, and when I start the test I always put the potentiometer all the way down, and I hope I had not flipped the poles. So all right, we have our wires hooked up, so I'm gonna take my base. Here we go. hook it up. And we'll see if this works in a moment. All right. Is this the wrong way around? Let's check. Like I said, it might not work on the first go. Alright, and then I'll go through it again, see what I've done wrong. Because clearly I've made a mistake, even though it's a really simple circuit. I knew this might happen. Oh yeah, stupid me. So let's do it like this. I had going in the wrong pins, so that should do it. So this was going to pin 1, no actually, yeah it was, and pin 1 wasn't connected to anything on the transistor, so yeah, that might be the problem. Let's try it out. That's my studio one. Let's open up amplitude.
Okay. Is it the wrong way around? It is. There we go. So without and with the fuzz. Oh no, we have our. This one was also. So. And I have it backwards. So let's put. Let's keep it backwards just for. But yeah, I have it backwards. The volume. And now when I turn left. Oh, the microphone sound might be really annoying. Let's turn that off for a bit and let's play a bass. Oh yeah, that's fun. Let's hear what this does. So let's swap that for. Oh, let's swap that for 47. I have no idea actually what this one will do. It will here, probably. So let's try it out now. Nothing much. How about we swap this one to the A50? Oh, smart. Yeah, my dowels actually. The track was clipping. Let's see how that sounds, but I should have a limiter on my streaming screen capturing blah 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 system. Oh yeah, and then what else people do? We can try to change the transistor, so let's do that. Small break. Yeah. Alright, so we have other ones we can try there. Let's try that 5088. No. The one that's actually suggested in the schematic. I should have one, at least. 1 to 4. Alright. Here we go. 5088. Let's try to get one. That's it. And so we have this. How about the volume? Is it like... Alright. And so let's try that 5088 instead. Just gonna pop that out, put that in. Alright, and then what else do we have? Oh, that's extra. I have to admit I don't even have PNP and NPN transistors memorized, so but then let's try this. Yep, that works. So, but I like this one a lot. Then we could try. We could try adding some stuff. Can we actually add some, like, let's do this. You know, let's experiment. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. That's the fun part. It's work. This should just reverse it. Yeah, we got sort of a gain control, but I think that this is just the wrong potentiometer for that, probably. Like I said, I don't know what the hell I'm doing at this point, so let's check it out. What else do I have? B2, so pop, get out of there. Let's put that there instead. So that works, but let's change it the other way around, so it's this one is at least the right way around. Oh man, what? No. So yeah, we added fuzz control. So this is our volume. Yep. And this is the fuzz. Alright, then we could try an LED in there instead of the diode. So let's do that for fun. And in the LEDs, the long leg is the plus side, the short one is the minus, and the other one is also plus. So there's a short leg, long leg. So now this the same way polarized as the diode, so let's put that in there. Alright, that works like that. What else do you have? Do you have some other diode? Or, let's see. Oh, I have these. Now they are becoming rare ones. Let me check this little box here. So I have misplaced them already. Alright, could be. Oh, let's put. Let's turn the volume down for a bit. Let's look for the diodes. God damn. Oh, there they are. So 1N34A. Let's try one of these. See what happens. And minus in there. Alright. Yeah, I'm more into this one, so the LEDs. Yeah. And then if there's a difference between a red one and a yellow one, let's see. Actually, let's take a blue one for fun. Oh, and is my mic on? It is. Good. So a blue one. Alright, so that's what we have now. I'm not gonna mess with this one anymore, we'll keep the LED there, but we can do something else still. I'll put that in the back. Let's try and up the value of this. So it's 4.7 now. What do we have? We have a 10 here. Just gonna twist the legs even. There we go. So what do we have? We have that. And the power of just in case. There we go.
bridge pickup I'm using now. And that's the bridge neck pickup. And I have a push-pull pod here. I'll show it. So when I pull that up, this becomes these pickups become parallel wire. Anyway, it becomes more of a humbucker. Alright, so I'm keeping lead in there, and that didn't do much. Or did it? That's full now. Let's put it full. Okay, let's swap it. Let's put like a big one in there and see how that sounds. Alright, let's try, so we went up to 10, so let's go up to something stupid, like 100. Why not? Here we go. Just for fun, let's see how that sounds. Like. And that's off. I don't wanna, fry the LED or something. And for fun, I'm not gonna. But I could try it out with my guitar, but it's a bass fuzz, so let's keep it like that. So it didn't do much. That's full, yeah. I'm gonna swap this to the right way around now. So I'll just put it in here. There we go. And that was going on there. And then I need to ground the first lock. There we go. What? Doesn't do anything. Ah, what did I do? Gonna put it back. God damn me. I already forgot how this works.
Okay, so what, come on, so we take the third one. Oh, and this could be go. Alright, now it works as it should. Volume is volume, fuzz is fuzz. Alright, then let's try for. I have a bunch of, you know, resistors here. And I don't even know the value, but if I want to know the value, I can of course do this. Let's bring out my multimeter again. Let's put it to, so ohms, well, 2000 kilos. Let's see what it reads. 10, so that's probably, yep, it's 10. So, and that was 100. What happens if we put a 10 instead of 100? So, from there, well, that happens. Does it still work? Oh, I don't have my volume on the base. Alright, let's do it again. What else? What do we have? I would like to go up. Let's see if we can find one. Yeah, this is 155. Let's put that in there. See if it makes any difference. Then let's, for fun, try a stupid number, like 1 mega. Here we go. 1 mega coming up. All right. Let's put the original 100 back there. I didn't enjoy that one as much. The original 100. Yeah, we have much more fuzz going on. There we go. So there we have our. So that's the 10, and this is like a 1, I think. So for fun, let's hear that out. See if that makes a huge difference. Probably not. No, it actually doesn't. So if we would like, you know, make this into metal, I would probably and give it some mods. I would probably have that on a switch with like 3 options. It can be done, and then for the I could do the same thing with the diode, I think. What happens if we put 2 in there? Let's see if I'm gonna eventually fry something up. I actually think it did something, but yeah. And the way we could do the switch thing is by, excuse me, I need to take a break again. So, be back. So the thing when you breadboard is that you get some like electronic interference, especially from the lamps. So let me check if I would take the lamps off. No, it really didn't, because these are LED, so they don't interfere that much. But I'm getting something from somewhere. So in the end, you wanna always
it might sound a bit different before you box it up, you know. It might have much more noise, and especially high gain circuits, and you know, so that's good to keep in mind. Let's bring it just a bit more. So yeah, it's very. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it, you know. I'm still gonna, let me check if this makes any difference now when we take this and run instead of 100 we go back to the 10. Let's I'm gonna try the original. There we go. 914 again instead of the LED. 914, here we go. Yeah, like I said, it's gonna make it. I really like the LED in there. It's just awesome. So let's put it back. Oh. There we go. Oh, that's so nasty. Messing with my bed. Yeah, that's awesome. So I think I could add. I think they're called gyrators. So I could add some kind of tone control somewhere here. I'm not sure how to do that, but I think I'll be able to look it up and see where it would go. But I think this sounds for like, how many parts are here? There are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, and the board only has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The board would actually have just 5 if you would. But yeah, so I could do a tone stack, but I like this the way it is now really much. The thing I could do is I could use this kind of switch to have options, more options for the caps, so it would make it sound really different, like we noticed. So now when we take that off and put this instead, so could the tone control be connected this? But yeah, like a simple switch would be just be amazing also. And that was with the 4, I think 4.7, and this was with the 1. Let's put it back there. There we go. And we have this. And we can see the LED lighting up a bit in there as well. So yeah, that could be done. And also like the clipping, that could be an option with the switch also. Either you could with the switch between like just 2, or I think we can okay, put my phone in the charger. Or then I could use one with on, off and on. So it has like 3 positions instead of 2. So that could give more options with the flick of a switch. But next time, well, I might be doing a strip board build, or you know, who knows. Or then I could take this and I could actually draw up a schematic in KiCad. That would be really boring. Probably for anyone who would stumble upon my stream. But yeah, it's something I could do with this, and it would be actually a good practice for me, because I haven't made a board yet with onboard switches like these. Might even have to do my, you know, own footprint in KiCad. So that's pretty simple to do, and then I actually might even have to make a schematic symbol for it. I am not sure if there should be, at least. And you can of course add some libraries in the, hello there, whoever you are. Do you want to hear how it sounds? I just have my bass on the stand there, but it's a bass fuzz on a breadboard. And but yeah, I was explaining that I haven't done any like schematics or board layouts with switches like these, so that would be a good practice for me also. And this was quite enlightening and fun. So here's how this sounds like. I can control the fuzz. It's running to amplitubes. I don't know what's the clone in there, but I'm running it to my audio interface and then to that into my DAW and then to amplitude bass amp I have, and this controls the volume. I have it full. I'm not a bass player, so and then full on. And I've been switching this LED for a simple diode. This one here, that makes quite a lot of difference in the sound. And then that cap over there, so that one, I've been switching that around. That makes a huge difference. And the schematic you can see in there on that corner. I've actually went a bit further and I added this fuzz control in the beginning. So I made the basic thing first, and then I started messing around with it, and now I'm at this point. Yeah, I quite like it. I think let's see if it clears up with the. Yeah, it's not that responsive to the bass volume. But this is something I'll probably continue. I'll leave it like that. Just take it off the testing box, so I have it the next time. So I think the gyrator or the tone control somewhere in here would be a nice addition. So I might do that, but I think I will draw up a schematic for what I've done here with some switches, and then I'll actually lay out a board with the schematic in KiCad, and I'll do the whole thing where I get the Gerber files and fabricate well, I won't fabricate, but I'll send them to JLC PCB I've been using, and I'll get a few boards, and then at some point I'll be able to just you know, solder the pots and switches on the board, put it in an enclosure, and have a nasty sounding fuzz. Yeah, I think that's a good plan. So, and I'm not sure, but yeah, that's the B2K in here worked out fine. Oh, actually, before I quit, I do want to check if I have a A1, so that could make a, or A2, and how that would sound like. That's in the wrong bag. A20 could be too much. A1 mega, A50, A1 mega, A20. Gonna keep one, this one here. You have to have some voice. My stack is pretty bad actually at the moment. I'm missing a huge set of usable values, but I had a break of, well, actually quite a long break, you know, building, so, or with the stuff in general. This is the old stack, old stuff I have, so come on. I think the A20 is as low as I can get. Probably. A2, there we go. Yeah, well, we can keep the 20 in there, unless I find a 10. Oh, we have a 10, but it's with logs, so that won't do. A10, yeah, all my A10s are with logs. Or are they, actually? P10, P1K, A500, yeah, they are. Alright. I'm still gonna mess with it a bit. I was going to quit, but I won't, not yet. Alright, so that won't do. You are wrong kind. B1. I've desoldered this from somewhere, so I'll twist them back a bit. There we go. Let's try this one instead of this one. Yep. And then how about we swap it to the A2. There we go. So one we can get from like really clean to a really dirty one. How was it with the beat? I'm not quite sure. It's like just clean up that much as the logarithmic one. Oh, yeah, sure. And then we had this one in here. Just one. Yeah, this is probably what I'll settle up with. Alright, yeah, that works. Oh man. Yeah, I'll leave it like that. Come back to it, maybe tweak it, or then I'll just start making the start doing this in a kick hat, or I could do it on I could try to put it on a strip board just for fun. But yeah, anyway, I'll be out.